Welcome sa Overgrounds. Dito kami kumain ng lunch ng birthday ko.
Would you like to ride that one? Look at how. Oh. Come on, let's go to see that. Let's go, find our table.
Let's go tell Dad that one that.
Napapaligiran siya ng maraming vineyards. Tapos sa gitna meron siyang lake. And you can use the water tracks for free.
It's like having a picnic here.
Sabik na sabik sana si Riley magtapisaw sa tubig. Tapos kumakain ng trikes.
Show me your face first.
Kaso nabis naman siya. Kaya sabi ko no. Nandiyan na lang siya sa buhanginan. A few minutes later, ayan. Change outfit na lang siya. Priceless naman yung kasayahan niya. She's having the best time of her life.